Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Ketholeno. Nagaland government has procured the Sputnik V vaccine from Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Hyderabad. State Immunization Officer Dr. Ritu Tur said the procurement was made as an additional vaccine option. He said, as per the government's directive, the total rate payable by the beneficiaries availing the Sputnik vaccines for private hospital per dose will be 1,145 rupees, which include GST and vaccine charges. However, Dr. Tur informed that initially 2 doses of Sputnik V is being made available for 4,800 persons at Bethesda Hospital, Kohima and Fate Hospital, Dimapur. It said Sputnik V vaccine can be availed by all beneficiaries from 18 years and above through advance booking via CoWIN portal. Dr. Tur said the administration of Sputnik V vaccine will begin in 2 private hospitals from July 12. The vaccine can be availed from Monday to Saturday every week from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. It may be mentioned that the second dose of Sputnik V will be due after a gap of minimum 21 days. Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee NPCC has condemned the adopted resolution of the Core Committee on Naga Political Issue as bereft of feasible and practical directives. In a press release, NPCC President K. Thare said the resolution has ignored the framework agreement and the agreed points, nullifying them, thus insulting the stakeholders. He added the resolution is a direct confrontation with the governor, who is the head of the state government. Thare further said the core committee is wastage of time and meaningless. The second quarterly of National Lok Adalat under the aegis of Nagaland State Legal Services Authority held yesterday settled 24 matters out of 38 listed disputes, matters and cases. The total settlement amount was 36,35,776 rupees. Disputes includes cases in pending stage as well as pre-litigation stage, mostly in the category of bank recovery, criminal compoundable cases and motor accident claims tribunal. Other settlement amount also included the fine money, bank recovery amount, compensation amount, among others. The sitting was organized in Dimapur, Kohima, Longlang, Kipire, Mogokchung, Mon, Tuensang, Phak and Wokha. Nagaland Health Department said the state has one of the lowest testing rates in the country, mainly attributed to reluctance in naming contacts by a positive case and symptomatic people not coming forward for testing. According to the weekly COVID-19 bulletin issued last evening, stated that stigma around COVID-19 has been detrimental to the whole process. The department opined that knowing one's COVID-19 status is extremely critical to monitor one's health and symptoms, as timing of medical interventions is the difference between life and death in COVID-19 management. It said even in children, more serious complications like MIS-C can be diagnosed and managed more effectively if COVID-19 status of the child is known. The department also informed that 243 children below 5 years were tested positive in 2021 as compared to 171 in 2020. However, no deaths below 5 years have been reported till now in the state. Nagaland reported 111 fresh cases of COVID-19 out of the 1,406 results received yesterday. Also, another 111 positive patients have recovered from the infection. The state sample positivity rate is 7.89%. With this, the total confirmed cases in the state have mounted to 25,898 and COVID casualties reached at 493, while 23,698 patients have also recovered from the infection, leaving the state with 973 active cases. The state's recovery rate now stands at 91.50%. The health department said the weekly sample positivity rate has gone down to 6%, but Kohima, Mogokchung and Wokha reported weekly positivity rate of more than 10%. And as the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also to help others to get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower their guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps: wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800-345-0019. With that, we come to the end of this morning news. Have a nice day.